Hi, let's get you as a library connected so that you can post adventures in your local Facebook community. The first thing you're going to do is go to Facebook and you're going to search Facebook, discover family fun, and then type the area that you live in. In this case, we're going to use St. George because they are hosting a Lego event in June. So the first thing you want to do is click on Create a Public Post, and you're going to type the details of your event. Now once you get your description in here, be sure to add a graphic of some kind. So you'll want to click on the photo or video and find your picture. In this case, mine is right there. And then you'll hit post. And as you can see, it will come up in the St. George Discover Family Fun community group. Now let's talk about what you can and cannot post. You can post anything that's free for families in this group. Ideas include summer reading programs, highlighting a book of the week, maybe a speaker that's coming to share something. Any free events can be posted in this community. If there is a cost attached to this, you're going to want to use what we call our Tuesday trends. It's our weekly discount / coupon notification for families. And this is what they look like. On Tuesdays, you'll see what's called Tuesday trends. And you can post anything that costs down in the comments below. If you would like to collaborate with My Discovery Destination and the Discover Family Fun Facebook communities for an event, just contact your local community coordinator. We also have a literacy-based discovery hunt that we could use to spotlight your library. In fact, regarding one that was done in Washington County Library from the Lou crew, they said, "Thank you so much for organizing this activity. I appreciated that it was simple enough that all age levels were able to participate and have fun." As you can get a lot of good feedback and reach a lot of people by doing the discovery hunts, and we'd love to help you with one of those. We would also love to spotlight your summer reading program, and you can send details of that to summer@mydiscoverydestination.com. and we'll get back to you and help schedule that. I hope this has been informational. If you need any more help, please reach out to your local community coordinator. Thank you.